that, I'm so excited because today it's all about pink. And I love pink. Valentine's Day is coming up and I'm gonna help you look amazing and flawless for your Valentine's date. Let's get started! The eyes will definitely be the stars of this look. I'm going for that pink on pink look. To make all of the colors pop, I'm using the I Love Color Intensifying eyeshadow base. And I'm gonna apply this all over my eyelids. Next up is eyeshadows. I'm gonna use this Be an Original eyeshadow box in the shade Dare to Be Bold. And I'm gonna use this hot pink shade, of course. I'm gonna apply this into my crease. Wow, it's pigmented. I'm also gonna apply this all over my eyelids and along my lower lash line. And now I'm using this Kajal pencil in the shade White. I'm gonna apply this in my waterline. This will make your eyes look more open and awake. This is especially a good trick when you have smaller eyes. To finish off this look, I'm using this My Must-Haves eyeshadow in the shade Raspberry Frosting. I'm gonna apply this with my finger, only in the middle of my eyelids to make the eyeshadow pop. And now it's time to contour. I'm gonna use this mattifying compact powder in the shade 70 Espresso. I'm gonna apply this in the outer perimeter of my face. What comes with pink eye makeup? Pink blush. I'm using the Matte Touch blush in the shade 20 Bury Me Up. Take a fluffy brush, smile and apply. Last but not least, highlighter. I'm using the Go for the Glow in the shade The Warms. This palette consists of 3 different shades and I'm gonna use the pink one to get that monochromatic look. You know the drill, let's highlight. To complement this pink look, I'm going for a glossy pink lip. For this, I'm using the Shine 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 lip gloss. This is in the shade Pink of Bel Air. If you want, you could go for a matte lip, but I prefer the gloss. And if you're not a fan of pink, this gloss comes in 7 different shades. I have 4 here. This one is clear, glittery purple, glittery orange, perfect for Halloween, and of course the pink one. That's it, a cute romantic look for Valentine's Day. Are you giving this a try? Let me know in the comments down below. And if you like this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell button down below for more makeup inspiration. Happy Valentine's Day! Bye!